Let's make a potentially dairy-free white chicken chili. I'm using an Instapot. I put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there, and I put 2 chicken breasts that were cubed. And after they cooked, I took them right out and I added about a half cup of diced onion. I'm also adding some spices like 1 teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of lemon pepper. I'll be adding 1 clove of garlic to this. Stirring it around really good. It's gonna smell so good. Then we're gonna add a can of green chilies, about 2 4-ounce cans, and I'm using a can of hominy. This is a bigger can of hominy, and I didn't drain and rinse that at all. And then I'm adding a can of white kidney beans and a can of great northern beans. Again, I didn't drain or rinse these. Usually I do, but in this recipe, we don't do that. I'm adding the chicken back in with 3 cups of water. Stir it around. We're gonna add some corn, probably 1.5 cups, 2 cups of corn, and then a squeeze of some lime juice here, half a lime. Season it with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. And just taste it, stir it, taste it, stir it, see what it needs. And you're ready to go at this point. So we're just gonna dish it up in some bowls. Now you get to pick your toppings here. You might go dairy-free. I'm not going dairy-free. I'm gonna add cheese and sour cream and salsa and cilantro lime crema and cilantro and tortilla chips. What a great, awesome meal that your family is gonna love, because they can pick their toppings. There's nothing better than when people get to pick their own toppings for something. And here it is, folks. Delicious. If you need to go dairy-free, just omit all the dairy, which is just your sour cream and cheese, and enjoy this wonderful soup on a cold fall or winter day.